Did you know that you can regrow butter lettuce? This is my favorite type of lettuce, but what you're specifically looking at here is lettuce that I bought at the grocery store a few weeks ago. You usually see these in clamshell containers. So I ate the lettuce, I replanted the root, 3 weeks later, voila, a new head of lettuce. That's pretty cool. Before replanting my store-bought butter lettuce, I did remove this piece of cloth that they have wrapped around the roots. Now I know I'm not saving a lot of money or even plastic from going into the environment, but this is still a lot of fun. It's interesting, satisfying, and now it's dinner. So while I'm making my salad, you can watch this time-lapse video of butter lettuce regrowing. Wow, I had no idea that you could actually regrow butter lettuce. Now this is the second time that I've regrown each of these. It's been 15 days. This one was sitting on my back porch under the time-lapse camera. This one here has been 15 days and it's been sitting right here. This one is way better looking than this one. The leaves on this, some of them have turned brown on the edges. This one here looks almost perfect. Maybe this one was in the direct sunlight more than this one and that's why it's better. I don't know. How many times can you do this? I don't know that either, but if you do and you have experience regrowing butter lettuce, please share that with everyone in the comment section on this video. You know, that's the best salad I've ever eaten. Why? Because I'm a cheapskate.